Hello everyone, welcome to BRIOVR. This is the very first onboarding of Brio Tutorial 101. In this video, we'll be spending 5 minutes to get you started on some of the basics. After everyone registered, you should be directed to the user profile page. Let's go ahead and open up a new project. Doesn't matter if it's a preset or empty template. In this case, I opened up an empty one. After the window is loaded, you can see our 3D working space. Let's get it started with the basic navigation. For a computer user who uses mouse to navigate, left click and hold is to rotate the view, right click and hold is to pan, and middle mouse button is to zoom. Move on to the tablet users. One finger tap and hold is to rotate the view, two fingers tap and hold is to pan, and pinch is to zoom the view. Okay, let's move on to working with the object. Here you can see we already have a few objects on the grid. If we click one of them, something suddenly pops up. The gizmos that's on top of the object is for object manipulation. The purple arrow is to move the object along an axis. 3 arrows each are indicating for the X, Y, and Z axis. The white shape is to move the object along a plane. And the white circle is to move the object anywhere you want. The purple curvature is to rotate the object. If you want to scale the object, move your arrow to the second icon of the black box, which we refer to the context menu. This is toggle between move, rotate, and scale. The purple shape allows you to scale the object of each side. And the white shape allows you to scale the object uniformly. The third icon contains some basic actions. And the last two icons I have to do with the look of the object. The second last one is a color. You can change the color of the object using the color palette on top, inputting your own hex code, change your opacity, and your history is being stored in the 4 swatches down below here. And the last icon is material. We provide various material presets for you to use. You can click on them to check them out. You can upload your own textures. And for advanced users, we have an advanced option where you can modify each individual channel here, change the type of material as well. We are not going to go too deep for materials, but we do provide various tutorial videos on how you can render a nice looking scene. If you want to bring your own items to Brio, doesn't matter if it's a model, an image, a video, or even audio, there are 2 simple ways for you to do so. The first one is to simply drag your file from your local drive onto the grid of Brio. Here, we are going to select this little robot here, and after it's loaded, you can see it appear on top of the grid. Another way is to navigate to the eSwap tab, click on Upload, and bring anything in here. For users who want to create 360 experiences, no extra step is needed. Just drag your 360 image or video onto Brio and then select panoramic image or video. The image is automatically converted into a 360 sphere ball. Some people may have already noticed we never talk about the first icon in the context menu. This is a very awesome feature that Brio offers, which is called swap. This feature allows you to replace the model while retaining all the attributes and the action that you have on the old model. This way, let's replace the Brio logo with a happy face. If we play the scene, you can see the happy face is rotating. This is because the happy face inherits the behavior of the old Brio logo. It doesn't have to be exclusively a model. You can also upload an image or video. And the image we uploaded is a PNG with transparency. On a side note, for users who don't have their own items, we offer something called Treasure Box. It's divided into Brio assets and Poly library. The Brio assets are provided by our internal artists, and Google Poly is a library that Brio connects to the Google Poly library. It contains thousands of assets for you to bring into the Brio scene. It's time to view our creations. As you may know, BRIOVR is a tool for creating VR and AR experiences, so a lot of times, we want to view our creations from a first-person perspective. Here you can see in our scene we have a camera object. This is our player play view. Whenever you are moving the camera object, you are also changing the position and the rotation of the player. The three buttons locating in the bottom left corner are ways for you to switch in views. Right now, we are in the builder view. If we click on the second button, we switch to player view. And the last one is obviously for VR. BRIOVR automatically saved everything for you, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. After you have done with your project, the only thing to do is to hit the publish button located on top right corner and publish your project. Share it with your friends on social media, embed it into a website or anything you would like to do. And this is it for tutorial video number 1.